Sino makakapag-recite ng Miranda Doctrine? Okay. Natin natin yan. Mr. Yu, ikaw, kamir ka. Okay, again, what is Miranda Doctrine? Sabi mo muna yung pangalan mo at saka mo siya recite.
Sir, good morning, Sir Buds. Good morning, Buds. I am Noel Ilocban Jr. and I'm going to recite Miranda Rights or Miranda Doctrine. You have the right to remain silent. Any statement that you give may be used for or against you in any court of law in the Philippines. You have the right to have a competent, independent counsel, preferably by your own choice. If you cannot afford the counsel, if you cannot afford the service of the counsel, the government will provide one for you.
Okay. Next yun, nasa dulo. Halika rito, halika. Bilisan mo.
Miranda Doctrine, ito yung nagbibigay ng karapatan sa isang tao na pag hinuli mo is pwede kang hindi magsalita na naayon sa iyo kasi binibigyan kanya ng karapatan kung ano ang pwede mong gawin. Like for example, pwede kang kumuha ng sarili mong abogado, pwede ka ring hindi magsalita. Tsaka doon mo malalaman kung anong pwede mo pang gawin habang hinuhuli ka nila.
Wala ba kayong kamay?